So this is a program for example 2.2. So first line is comment. So for opening comment we know that we are writing first slash, then star, then we write comment, that is calculation of bonus, then star, then slash. So first line is comment. Now second line is main. So main function is compulsory in every program. So after main function, this loop starts. Loop, not loop actually, it is a bracket. So here bracket is starting. Now next line is int bonus comma cy comma yoj comma yr of ser and semicolon. So bonus cy yoj and year of serve, these are all integers. Now so here we are defining that these are integers. So this line was about defining of those integers. Now printf, enter current year and year of joining. So here we are asking asking to user that enter current year and year of joining, that is enter current year, that is cy, and year of joining, that is yoj. So printf, so we will print on screen that enter current year and year of joining. Now so this line was about printing current year and year of joining. Now scanf %d ampersand cy ampersand yoj. So %d is written because cy and yoj, ampersand cy and ampersand yoj are integers, so that is why %d is written. Now yr of ser is equal to cy, that is current year, minus yoj, that is year of joining. So year of service is equal to current year minus yoj. Now if so after scanf, so we have taken value of cy. So until scanf we have taken value of cy, that is current year, and yoj, that is year of joining. So we have those values, that is current year and year of joining, we have those values. Now after getting those values, so yr of serve, that is year of service. So year of service is calculated by current year minus year of joining. So this line is about finding year of service. Now we have found year of service. Now we will compare that year of service. If in bracket year of service, that is ser, is more than 3, so here if statement is starting, that is year of service. So if year of service is more than 3, then in bracket bonus is equal to 2500. So we had defined previously that bonus was integer, so we can directly write bonus is equal to 2500. Now printf bonus is equal to rupees %d comma bonus. So we are printing that bonus is equal to rupees %d because it was integer, then bonus. So we will print here bonus is equal to rupees 2500, and here we are closing brackets. So first closing bracket is for if statement, and second closing bracket is for main loop. So this is a program.